How to use your own headphones on Xbox One, Windows Central. You don't have to purchase a sometimes costly gaming headset to get the most from your Xbox One audio experience. Especially not if you've already invested in a set of good, maybe expensive headphones. There are some features you'll lose. But ultimately it might be better to just go with what you have. Luckily, you can connect those to your Xbox One. Here's how to do it. This part is super simple as long as you're using the more recent versions of the Xbox One controller. These have the 3.5mm headset jack in the bottom. And so to use them, all you have to do is plug the headphones into the controller. If you're using a first-generation Xbox One controller, there is, unfortunately, no headphone jack. As such, you'll need to invest in a stereo headset adapter. It connects to the bottom of your controller with your headphones hooking up to the bottom of the adapter. You also get added handy features like volume adjust, chat game audio mix adjust, and a big old mute button. Even on the later versions of the Xbox One controller, with the headset jack, you can gain a fair bit from using one of these. The official Microsoft One is no longer sold new. Although well-known headset maker Turtle Beach has an excellent alternative. This adapter not only connects headphones directly to the older-style Xbox One controller but puts excellent features like chat, game mix and total volume control into the palm of your hand. If you don't have inline volume controls, you'll have to control the audio on the console directly. It's not difficult. Although, with the latest update to the Xbox One dashboard, the audio controls are a little more hidden. Follow these steps. You'll now have options for enabling and disabling any microphone attached, adjusting volume, mic monitoring, and the mix of game audio to party chat. There are some easy, solid ways of adding a microphone to your headphones so you can indulge in a little party chat action on your Xbox One. One worth investing in is the Antlion ModMic Uni. This is a microphone that you can clip to your headphones to create your gaming headset. You use a splitter to attach the headphones and the microphone, so you can have a full gaming headset essentially plugged into your controller. The bonus is that you can take the microphone off and then just keep on enjoying your headphones. Not all gaming headsets have a detachable microphone, so you do get the best of both worlds. This detachable microphone clips onto your headphones and combines with its audio before going into your controller, thus giving you great sounding game audio and crystal clear party chat. If you want to get fancy, particularly if you're a streamer, you can use something like Astro's Mixamp if you can find one, or the Turtle Beach Elite Pro Tac to integrate your headphones with your PC, console, and even mobile devices audio. Hook up to the console over optical audio. Stick the USB into your PC. And connect headphones or a music player like your smartphone over 3.5mm. The Turtle Beach Elite Pro Tac is a remarkable bit of kit for gamers, allowing you to combine multiple sources and control all of them from one little box. With more people working and studying from home, it's more important than ever to have a quality headset for virtual meetings and calls. These headsets will help people hear you on calls and can be worn all day. Dolby Atmos creates a realistic, immersive soundscape, but is not featured in every game. These are all Xbox One games with baked-in Dolby Atmos support so far. If you're heading to college or university at the end of the summer, or just staying put at home, you may want to consider these Xbox accessories to make life a little easier. Richard Devine is an editor at Windows Central, a former project manager and long-term tech addict. He joined Mobile Nations in 2011 and has been found on Android Central and iMore as well as Windows Central. Currently you'll find him covering all manner of PC hardware and gaming. And you can follow him on Twitter and Instagram. Text source: windowcentral.com.